So, today we are opening the famous Galar tins that we have here, and they have booster packs at random. So I think it's Darkness Ablaze, and let me check. Oh, Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon. Cool. So we have the tin over here. Nice, pretty shiny one. The collector piece of cardboard with the design from the tin, and a very good piece of collectible tin to put it in some nice collection out there. So let's start with the Sun and Moon. I'm gonna open the pack. Oh, something lurking in the back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go. Energy, wishy-washy. Raticate, Dartrix, the code, Frantis, Spiro, P-Pack, Ratata, and the Alone Grimmer. This is a cool one. And the Butterfree as a rare. Nice, nice, nice. So, now for the Darkness Ablaze. Let's see. Okay. What do we have here? A Skitty. Okay, so code 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Zwillos. Oh, these names are strangely difficult. Struggle Gloves. The Skitty one. Dieno. Jigglypuff. And the Dunsparce. Clink. Shinotic. And our dragon with the ability for the rare. Nice. So now for this design we have another one. Let's try to capture it all. They are tough to open. Have the easy, but it's not that easy. Some of them. Yeah. Okay. Now the other design. Oh. Okay. Now same coin. Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon. Okay. And a cardboard collectible. So this time we're gonna Darkness Ablaze. So the code 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, slow bro. Nice. Energy, Clang, Bahira, Piers is a nice one. Shemet, Pampur, Teddy Ursa, Godike, and Sinistia. Okay. Now for the Sun and Moon. Here we go. Okay, so code 3, 4. Energy. Krakow Pikmiku. Double colorless. Nice. Sandy. Hatata. Snowball. Ukita. With Caterpie. And the Cosmoin as a rare. Okay. Not too shabby, but not the pulls that I would like to see, but let's try to be more lucky on the next one. Okay, so very difficult to open. Another coin. Let's go. The collectible design. Oops, sorry. And let's go. Okay. There it is. Okay. Passage. So, code 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Okay. And Passage, Tauros, Diglett, Squovet, Shelmet. Oh, nice. The Blazinken. Tin, 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 tin. And the Straptor. Okay. So, up till now, we have this. And let's go for another one. Yeah. They are really, some are very glued, some are not. 4, okay. Energy, Poison Barb, Dragonair. Oh. The Grimmer is always there. Sandygast, Caterpie, Charmery. Oh, the Rainbow Energy. And what do you have here in Incineroar GX? Whoa! Hustling Strike and Rainbow Energy. Nice! Very happy with these ones. Cool. Well, our luck is about to change, so I can feel it. Let's go to the other one, okay? I'm trying to open this, but they should make it a little bit easier to pull, or it's just me and my hands. So, come on, go. Now, the shiny unicorn, pretty. Another coin. Oh, I didn't notice this is the Mewtwo coin. Nice. I think this will be collectible. So, the cardboard to collect. I have a lot of cards here. Let me just put them aside. So, let's go. Another one. And code. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Familiar Bell. Rose, Teeny, Morello. Oh, this guy. Wishy-washy. I love this name. Cute fan. Yeno. Panzer. Oh, and the Pumpor. Shind. Manectric. Cool. Now for Cinnamon. These ones are always... okay. So, code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Great Ball. Baldor. Lily. Pipek. Meowth. Sandil. Cabra. Drowse. Oh, and the Dragonite. This guy is adorable. Don't you think? And the DC... I don't know. I cannot say this one. So, next one. We got 8 to open. 4 left. We got 50%. 50%. So, I'm gonna do this all the way. Okay. Unicorn again. I think the Mew coin must be really collectible. This one. Okay. Shall we start? Let's go Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon. I have to think about Sun and Moon. I really like it. But Darkness Ablaze is something, one of the best sets this year so far. So when the year is about to end, so Pokeball, Dartrix, oh, Howl, Spearow, Psyduck, Eevee, Pipek, Meowth, Kangaskhan. I believe there is a World's promo that is worth a lot of money. And the Cosmoem, nice. And now for Darkness Ablaze. This one is really hard. Yeah, we can pull some action here. Gradable action. What do you think? So code. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Clank. And Dartrix. Oh, this guy is cute. Chuboo! With the pinky nose, with the snoozing nose. Wimpod, Bunnelby, Toxel, Sinistea, and Swanna, Sky Circus, and the Mook. So let's go to another one. 3 left. What do you think? I'm gonna make a pull here, or we're gonna make a miss. I don't know, but at least we're gonna put a show, a good opening show. I don't see many people opening those, so I want to try something a little bit different. It's packs in the end, but from these ones. So what's the coin? Okay, same Mew coin. I believe that one is rare. And the collectible cardboard. So let's go. Darkness Ablaze. Darkness Ablaze. Okay. Okay. So coat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And energy. Catarita. I don't know. Appears. Powerful energy. Bunnelby. Toxel. Sinistea again. Carablast. Melton. And a Darmanian. Galarian Darmanian. Big head. And the Tapu Koko. Other names. They are incredible. So let's go again. Sandygast. Okay, so code here. 4. And Wishy-Washy. I love Wishy-Washy. Persian. Sandygast. I love these guys. Skarmory. Morello. Shincho and Metapod with 2 cannon. Nice nose. Okay, no more. 2 left. Okay, almost there. Almost there. So I'm starting to get the hang of it. So be faster. So, let's go. Oh no, no collectible Mewtwo. No rare. Okay, so sorry about the noise. And Sun and Moon. Darkness Ablaze. Go for Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we have here. Oh gee. That's much easier. So 2, 3, 4. Energy. Caviar, Pupitar, Zilus, Unsparse, Electric, Mr. Mime, Grima, now Centret, and a Manectric. Okay. Our pools are a little bit under the water, but well, that's life. Sometimes you are under the water. Okay, so blue energy, gold bat. Ooh. Tunbreak, Potion, Eevee, Stuffle, Litten, Torkoal, Yogos, Palosand, and oh, another one. Cool. One in rare and one in rare. This is nice. Strange but nice. So let's see what we have here. So guys, it's the final one. We need a lot of luck to pull something really cool on this one. So let's try to. This time I'm gonna go for Sun and Moon. So okay. Let's do this. Side up. I'm guessing I'm a bit psychic now. Okay, one. Oh no, I didn't pass it. Sorry. 2, 3, 4. Repel. Boomsweet, Lillipup. Dratini. Wingo. Arcanine. Look at this card. So beautiful. And a Toucanon. So last pack. This is something that we should expect to be really good, because it's the last pack, you know. And it's a Toxel in the front. I'm gonna pass 4 to the back, and we shall see. Really slow. Parasect, Tokapex, Big Parasol, Toxel, Sinisty, Carablast, Meltan, and Trapinch, and Melmetal. Okay, so this is it, folks. We had a little bit of this team's opening. Well, it didn't have a lot of super pulls, but these two already make my day. I like very much Incineroar, and I hope to see you all in the new video. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.